Union version 2 is live, and seriously, the user interface is so good. The user experience is even better because using it, transactions has been going so smoothly. So this video, I'm going to be showing you how to walk through and how to complete most of the swap task here. If you prefer written task instead of video, I have made a thread on Twitter that shows you exactly how to start, how to get test tokens, and how to complete all of the tasks. So you might want to go to my Twitter, which you'll find the link in the description of this video, and check it out. Follow them one by one and you complete every task on Union version 2. Don't forget to like and follow me on Twitter also. Do it to like this video, share this video with your friends, and then like always, you can always go to dashboard.union.build to track your progress and see whichever task is needed for you to complete. And as you complete more tasks, you also get more XP to level up. Now returning to app.union.build, the link remains the same. So just click the link. You can find them in the description of this video as always. The first thing you always do whenever you want to do a testnet is to get test tokens. Now Union has collated all the platforms you can get test tokens from, and we are going to be using for this testnet. So come to the faucet section and you're going to find different websites here where you go to collect and get free test tokens. Now the first one we need to get is we are going to be needing this Bitcoin testnet token. So if you click on this Bitcoin test, it's going to take you to a new website. You can see this website. Welcome to the BTCN testnet faucet. You need to claim some faucet here, although this particular faucet is not working properly because they say that their test token is exhausted. And then you also need Sepolia. So get Sepolia Ethereum from these two links here. There's also another link where you're gonna get the test token. So once you come here, always check this page regularly to get your test token. So you need to first connect your wallet. I'm using my MetaMask. So I connect this wallet. Once your wallet is connected, make sure that you switch to Sepolia. Click on this these two icons you see here at the bottom right corner, right? This icon you click here. Just click on it and then you can see network is not recognized. So click on it and switch to Sepolia, and then you need to confirm it on your wallet. Scroll down and confirm. Now once that is confirmed, then you can close it. And then the faucet is dry. Please let support know. So at the moment they have exhausted the faucet. So but if the faucet is available, I can click on claim 1 BTCN. Alright, so you simply click on claim 1 BTCN. Once you claim that, the next thing you must do on this particular page is to click on bridge BTCN to testnet. So when you click on this, a new page will open up. And then you can see from here, you are going to bridge the BTCN you just claimed, because the BTCN you claimed is under Sepolia network. Then you are going to bridge it to a layer 2 bridge, which is under Con. Just follow the process. You don't really need to understand it much of that, but it's good if you understand it. So once you do that, you connect your wallet and bridge. I do not have the test token because the faucet here is exhausted. So this is one faucet that you need. Let's return back here. Another faucet we need is Zeon Testnet. 6 Zeon Testnet here. Let's claim this now. From the Zeon Testnet, this is how you need to complete this. First of all, go to your Kepler wallet. See from my Kepler extension. If you are using mobile, just open your Kepler extension on your mobile. So I'll click on this to open it, and then I'm going to use the search icon here. I'm going to use this search icon to search for Zeon, X-I-O-N. Okay. Now you can see there are two Zeon here. The first one is Zeon, which is the mainnet. I don't need the mainnet. We are not using the mainnet. The second one is what we are using, Zeon Testnet. So you click on enable. Your Kepler will open on a new page. Then you select the Zeon Testnet and you click on save. Once you do that, your Zeon testnet has been added. So the next thing now, open your Kepler wallet again. Open your Kepler extension. Then still use the search icon to search for Zeon. This time around, you will see your Zeon here. This is the first one. This first one here, Zeon testnet. So just click on the copy icon here and copy. I have copied my Zeon wallet address. I have enabled and copied it. So with that, I will come to the Zeon testnet faucet page. I'll paste my wallet address that I've copied here. And then there are 2 tokens we are going to be claiming. First one, claim Zeon. So verify you are human. And then click on continue. Sending tokens. So you just wait for the tokens to be sent to your wallet. An error I consider. Okay, if it gives you an error, try it again. So I'm gonna try this again because I have not claimed it before. So I'll keep trying it until I get the test tokens. Send it tokens. And that is it. Success. 2 Zeon have been delivered to the address. So I have gotten 2 Zeon. You can only claim Zeon once every 24 hours. So this is the first token we are going to claim. Second token we are claiming is USDC. On this Zeon network, claim USDC. Click on reset. Once you click on reset, paste your wallet address again and then verify that you are human. Verify you are human and continue. Sending tokens. An error occurred. Don't worry. Try again. Complete the captcha. Complete the captcha and continue. And then you can see success. I have received 2 USDC under Zeon network. So we are done with this. After 24 hours, you can come back here and claim again. So I'm going to close this page and return to the Union testnet page. Now, another test token you need, if you do not have Sepolia Ethereum on your wallet, click on this Google Cloud Web3. When you click on it, this is one place where you can come to claim 0.05 Ethereum Sepolia every day. And all you need is for you to log in on this page using your Google account. So once you log in using your Google account, you can select network. There are different network here. You can even get Holesky. But for now, what I need most is Ethereum Sepolia. So I click on Ethereum Sepolia and then I think I have it. Let me check my wallet address. Let me check my wallet. I have Sepolia already. You can see my wallet here. I have Sepolia. So let me claim Holesky. If you already have Sepolia, you might want to claim Holesky because you still need that Holesky for transactions on Union. So I'm going to click on Ethereum Holesky and then I will paste my wallet address here. And then I'll click on receive 1 Holesky ETH. You can see it has been sent to my wallet. This is it being sent to my wallet, so I can close. If the one you need more importantly is Ethereum Sepolia, click on Ethereum Sepolia and request. And you can only request once every 24 hours. Or let me even check. I've requested Holesky. Let me check if I can request for Ethereum Sepolia itself. So let me check Ethereum Sepolia. I'll paste my wallet address here. I'll paste my wallet address and then I'll click on receive. Let me see if I can receive that. Okay. So you can even receive Sepolia and still receive Holesky. Request for the both of them because you can only request one network every 24 hours. So you can request Holesky and request for Sepolia. I have requested for the both of them. So I can close this page. I can close that page. Now, other testnet you need, Whooscan. You can go to Whooscan. If every other testnet you need now is like the ones we have used before. So you should already have them. I already know how to use them. In my previous videos during testnet version 1, I showed you how to use Whooscan to get test tokens. So let us not waste much time on that. Now that you've gotten your test tokens, the next thing you need to do now is to make transfers. Now on my Twitter thread, you can see that after getting test tokens, after getting your Zeon and getting your BTCN, the next thing is you have all the test tokens, connect your Tron wallet and Kepler wallet, and then you can start running transactions. So let's come here now. We need to connect wallet. So you come to this section here, connect wallet. Okay, connect wallet here. So I'll click on connect wallet. I need to first of all connect my MetaMask, which is my EVM wallet, and then you scroll down and you connect your Cosmos wallet, which is either Leap or Kepler. Remember, we are using Kepler because Kepler has cheaper fees compared to Leap. I'm going to connect my EVM first, my MetaMask. Alright, my MetaMask is connected. Then I need to connect my Kepler. I'll click on Kepler. And then I will approve. Now my two wallets are connected. And now it is time to run our transaction. So the first I'm going to be running is from Zeon. I'm going to run from Zeon to Holesky. So from the source chain, I'm going to be sending USDC. Okay. So from the source, I select my Zeon and USDC, and then the destination, I will put Holesky. And then I'm sending 0.001 USDC. Remember that the amount you are sending doesn't matter. All they need is for you to run transactions. So make sure you are running transactions and don't send all of your balance at once. So I'm going to be running the transfer now. I'll click on transfer, and Zeon, from V2 Testnet to Holesky, I'll click on submit. Now I'll wait for my wallet to pick this up. Since it is the first time, I need to approve my Zeon. So just click on approve, and then I can approve my transaction. Approve, and wait for this to confirm. Now, if you want to run multiple transactions, in the process of running it like this, you should come and open multiple tabs. So if I should open multiple tabs here, then from there you can run multiple transactions simultaneously. Just from one tab, you move to the other. So I'm going to go back to transfer now. This is the first transfer that I have done. If you come to history, you're going to be seeing all of your transactions that you've completed. So if I come to history now, wait for this to load up. Once it loads up, you can see the first transaction I did here is from V2 Testnet into Holesky. This is the first. So as more transactions you run, they will appear here. So let's also check out the dashboard. Remember that every transaction you are doing, it will be recorded and reflected on the dashboard. So 6 chains to roll them. For this particular task here, based on the transactions you've done on the version 1, from here you are also going to be doing more transactions to level up and complete this. So from the version 1 here, transfer from Zeon Testnet into Holesky, transfer from Babylon into Holesky, Sepolia, just from one chain to the other, back and forth. This is all you need to do to accumulate points. As I'm recording this, most of the networks are having a lot of bugs. The tokens you have in your wallet are not showing. So focus from making transactions from Zeon into Holesky. Remember, on the dashboard, there are a lot of tasks that you need to complete. And then the destination chain, you can see from this, then the destination chain is either Holesky or Babylon. So if you have not completed Babylon task on the dashboard, also transfer into Babylon. But for me now, the only one I need to be doing is transferring into Holesky. That's why I select Holesky here, and then I put in the amount 0.001. Once allowance has been checked, I can proceed with the transaction. So follow what I've shown you in this video. The most important thing is for you to get your faucet using the faucet link here. And then on the dashboard, you can always see the tasks that you need to complete. Okay. So these are most of the tasks that are available. You can see the Holesky task here. The first time you do a transaction into Holesky, you are going to get 5 XP. So I just need to give it a time, and the transaction that I have done into Holesky will give me 5 XP. If there's any question you have, please do well to ask me. All right. Always, if you cannot keep up with the video, you can refer to my Twitter account, where I have made a thread that will show you how to make all of the transactions. Okay. You can just follow the thread. This is it here. You can follow the thread one step after the order and complete the task. So basically, this is all we need to know about Union Testnet. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you later.